Example 3, finally we're done. So I think there's like 5 or 6 videos you had to slog through this week, and it's complicated. I wanted to, you've done a good job, thank you. So now for the second mystery item to include, show video proof. We'll stick with the fruit theme like I did with the first one. I'm not going to tell you what the first one is in case you're skipping ahead trying to just find them. It's an orange. So we have an orange. Very healthy, vitamin C, very good for you. So an orange is our second random item in this series of videos today. So I'll put that to the side. And here's our last one. 2x squared minus 6x plus 7 equals 0. So same scenario. Let's go ahead and identify our A, B, and C. Focus on a discriminant and come up with our two answers for where this parabola crosses that x-axis. A is 2, B is negative 6, C is 7. So let's go ahead and write them out. We've got negative B. So x is going to equal negative 6. Ooh, negative 6. I'm going to write that way to make sure I don't get that mixed up there. Okay, so it's negative 6 plus or minus the square root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times A, which is 2, times C, which is 7. Wow, what a complicated one here. Times 7. All over 2A, which is all over 4. This is not good hand. This is too small, I apologize. That's negative 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 7. Okay? So let's evaluate. Let's focus. So a negative 6 will be x is going to equal 6. That's a positive. Plus or minus. So here we go with our discriminant. So negative 6 squared, b squared, is 36. Minus 4. 4 times 2. 4 times 2 times 7. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So that simplifies to the square root of 36 minus 56. What is 36 minus 56 is negative 20. So the discriminant is the square root of negative 20. No solution, we're done. You cannot have there's no square root of a negative number. You find this, you don't need to go any further. There is no solution, which means since this parabola, we look at it as has a positive value, is opening upwards. So on the graph, wherever that graph is, this parabola is somewhere above the x-axis. So there's no solution for this particular example. And so that's it. Those are your 3 examples. Make sure you hit that discussion board if you're having any questions. Be careful and go over them a couple times if you're not feeling comfortable. So thank you for all that work today. If you stretch it out over 2 days, and keep in touch, and we'll get this figured out. You're doing a great job, by the way. A great job.